Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is another video in a series of quick tips and tricks to help you use your Windows 8 machine a little more. So now you know that you have tiles, you've used them, but maybe you have a little problem understanding how do I get from my start screen to an app that's not too complicated. You just click on the app, or if you have a touch screen, you just press on the tile of that app. But when you're here and you're thinking, what am I going to do to go back to my main start screen? Well, when you're in an app, two ways you can go back to the start screen. The first one is a really easy one, and it's simply to go to your keyboard and look at your keyboard. You have this Windows key, and the Windows key is very important because that key that used to open the start menu back in old Windows version will now bring you back to the start screen. So by pressing, you're actually going back to your start screen here. And of course, if you press once again, it gets you back to the last app that was open. So it's a quick and really cool way of actually going quickly from the start screen to the last open app that you went through. So this is a nice little thing. So remember that key. I think it's probably the easiest way to go to the start screen in Windows 8. It's a great little trick. And if you are in an app and you're thinking, is there another way? Yes, if you have a touch screen, you'll want to swipe from the right side of the screen towards the left. If you don't have a touch device, of course, you'll go into the corners to get the charms bar. And at the middle, you'll see that little blue window pane that says Start. This is where it's going to bring you to the Start menu also. So that's another way of actually doing it. If you don't have a touch enabled device and you have that special Windows 8 mouse, I believe on the mouse itself there's a button that will actually bring you quickly to the Start menu also. So two ways, basically. The easiest of all, not complicated, just use your Windows key on your keyboard, which is always on the lower left on the keyboard of your computer. And of course, if you don't use that, or maybe you have an old keyboard that doesn't have a Windows key, well, you can actually go to the right corners of the screen and just either, if you have a touch device, just press on the Start, or if you don't, just put your mouse pointer there and click Start, and it's gonna bring you from alternating from the start screen if you're in an app, or bring you back into an app if you're in the start screen. So that's another quick little video tip of how to use Windows 8. If you want to learn more, you can look at these videos over and over again, which will let you, of course, master or understand maybe something you didn't understand at first. So if you are brand new to Windows 8, maybe you got that new machine and you want to understand more, well, I think you could subscribe to our channel, and this will let you know when we put new videos online. We try to put videos every week, so in 2013 there's going to be hundreds of videos. And if you have any requests or questions or comments, let us know. It's always fun to have feedback. And hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye-bye.